Let's use the Shape Builder tool, which is this tool right here. Let's use that tool to remove some of these shapes that are on this truck. So first thing we'll do is zoom in a little bit and select our shapes. And as we do that, we notice that the layers are locked. And we could drill down here, or we could go over to Object and unlock all to unlock everything at once, which is a faster way to do it. And then we can select our shape and shift select our bumper. Let's zoom in a little bit here. And then we'll go over to the Shape Builder tool, and you can see it's a little arrowhead and a plus symbol. That is to add shapes together. If I hit the Option key, and it turns into a minus, and I can just drag and delete those shapes there. Same thing here. We will select the shape and select this little gray bumper down here, and then the Shape Builder, Option, Shift, drag, Option, drag, Option, drag. There we go. And for this one here, I'm going to do something a little different, because if we just use the Shape Builder tool as normal, it's going to delete the outside outline of the whole van. So what we're going to do is first select the outline of the van, and then we're going to copy it, and so that it's in the clipboard. Then we will shift select our shape, Shape Builder tool, Option key, drag that out. See that it disappeared, but because we copied it, we can now just paste it in place right there. We do the same thing for this one here. Select our line there, copy it, and shift select the shape, and then get the Shape Builder tool. Same thing. There we go. And we just paste that in place there. Edit, paste in place right there. All right. Hey, before we go, what does the little plus on the Shape Builder tool do? So let's look at that real quick. Get two shapes, and let's go ahead and change the color so that we can see the two. We'll select both of these and select that Shape Builder right there. There's the plus symbol, not pressing any modifying keys, and we'll just drag. So you can see what happened there. All right, so let's undo that real quick. Okay, so we have these two shapes, and let's copy them into here like that. All right, so let's bring this one to the front. Now let's do the same thing. All right, so we select those, and we get our Shape Builder tool, and we just drag in this area, and we can see that made those two shapes, and the middle shape is black. Those two, same thing, drag there, and you can see this time that it is green. Now, if I drag over the entire group with my Shape Builder tool, it's going to get everything on it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. I'll do more videos soon, going more in depth on the Shape Builder tool and other tools in Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign. Thanks.